Hello and welcome to Blooming Kids Online. In this video, young learners will find simple words based upon letter D sound. I am Monika Aditya Tomar, a pre-primary teacher, and I love to teach young and curious minds. You can find more videos at my YouTube channel and website bloomingkidsonline.com. Do subscribe and press bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. So let's start the video. D says D. D says dog. Dog, dog, dog. D says drum, 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 drum. D says duck, 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 duck. D says dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Dolphin. D says deer, 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 deer. D says dots, 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 dots. D says doll, 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 doll. D says donkey, 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 donkey. D says dinosaur, 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 dinosaur. D says donut, 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 donut. D says dam, 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 dam. D says dance, 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 dance. D says desk, 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 desk. D says dish, 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 dish. Now you have to speak with me. Speak loudly as the other child is speaking with me. D, dog.
D, dog.
D, drum.
D, drum.
D, duck.
D, duck.
D, dolphin.
D, dolphin.
D, deer.
D, deer.
D, dots.
D, dots.
D, doll.
D, doll.
D, donkey.
D, donkey.
D, dinosaur.
D, dinosaur.
D, donut.
D, donut.
D, dam.
D, dam.
D, dance.
D, dance.
D, desk.
D, desk.
D, dish.
D, dish.
Thank you for watching the video. I believe this video is helpful for young learners. Please do visit the website and subscribe my YouTube channel.